On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that you can use it from wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best product that you can promote and the best traffic source that you can use to promote the product for free so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digistore24, you can join Clickbank, you can join Warrior Plus, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm going to be using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, and the best part is that they have a lot of different digital products and physical products that you can promote to earn money from home. So you can join Digistore24 and then promote any affiliate product that you want. Once you join Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click here marketplace so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see at the left hand side, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different categories. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you like, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you will find digital products that you can promote under that category. You can see a whole lot of different categories. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm not going to be promoting a digital product. I'm going to be promoting a physical product. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see physical products. Click on it. Once you click on physical products, you can decide to promote skincare, supplements, any of them that you want. You can click on it and then find the product to promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting a supplement, so click on supplements. Once you click on supplements, when you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of different supplements that you can promote. The first one is Rising Power. If you promote this product and get a sale, you are going to be earning $114.60. That is the amount that you are going to make per every sale that you get. When I scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. The next one, you are going to be earning $112.77. As I scroll down, you can see the next one, tonic greens. If you promote this product, you are going to be earning $93.41. That is the amount that you are going to make per sale. There are many of them, and the best part is that the conversion rate is very high. You can see the next one. As I scroll, you can see the next one. So if you want, you can decide to select one of the products. Once you select it, you are going to find the traffic source so that you can be promoting that product. Once you promote it and get a sale, you are going to be earning a commission on Digistore24. You can see the product. They even have up to page 3. If you click on any of them, you are going to be getting a lot of physical products that you can promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting tonic greens. This product, tonic greens, the product is good, and the best part is that when you promote it, many people buy it. If you scroll down, you can see the statistics. It has a conversion rate of 16%. That means the number of people that you get to click on your link, 16% of them are going to purchase the product. So if you get 200 people to click on your link, 16% of the 200 people are going to purchase the product for you to gain money. So this is one of the good products that you can promote because it has a high conversion rate, and the good part is that it is also popular. You can see it has a 5-star rating, which means people really like it, so you can promote it to make money from home. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to look at the sales page so that you can get to know the landing page of the product, the page that your potential visitors are going to see. You have to look at it and get some basic information about the product before you begin to promote it. So click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see the product owner has a video that will educate the potential customers about the product before they decide to purchase it. So they have a video. If you want, you can click on the sound icon. Once you click on it, you can listen to the information and then get to know more about the product. You can see the product, they have packaged it in 3. So if your potential visitors want the basic package, they are going to be paying $79 per bottle. If they decide to choose the ultimate discount package, they are going to be paying $49 per bottle. If they decide to select the popular package, they are going to be paying $59 per bottle. The best part is that all those packages, they are going to be getting free shipping. You can see plus shipping fee and free shipping. So this is for those who are living in the United States. People, they are going to ship the product to them for free. If you scroll down, you can see more information about the product. You can see it is 100% guarantee. So when people buy it and they find out that the product is not what they expect, they can return it and then take their money back. As a school, you can see many other information about the product. Now, once you have gotten to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. What you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting it. This is my affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to also click on it. If you have never promoted products on Digistore24, you see something like promoting now. Once you see something like it, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Let me show you an example. You can see promoting now. When you see something like this, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. In this case, I have my affiliate link here. Now, once you have gotten your unique affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then buy the product through your affiliate link so that you can be making a commission on Digistore24. So you can use paid traffic source, you can use free traffic source. It depends on your budget. If you have money to use the paid traffic source, I highly recommend that. If you don't have money, just follow these steps that I'm going to show you in this video so that you can use the free method to make money from home. The website that we are going to be using to get free traffic to our affiliate link is freeastime.org. This website is a classified website that you can use to promote your link to any country that you want. You can select the tier 1 countries. If you want, you can select African countries, Asian countries, any part of the world that you want, you can select it. As you can see right here, most visited cities, US, you can see these are the most visited cities in the United States. The first city is this one, I can't pronounce it, so the people who live in this city, most of them visit freeastime.org. You can see the second one is Buffalo, so this is the second city that most of the visitors come from, and you can see many others. So if you are running your ad, you have to first of all select the first one, the second one, or the third one. Better still, you can choose the fourth one. The first line, you can select any of those cities because that is where most of the traffic is coming from in the United States. Apart from the United States, if you scroll down, there are many other countries that you can select. You can see Canada, these are the cities. UK, these are the cities. Just select any of them that you want. You can see Australia, these are the cities. India, these are the cities. So any country that you want, you can target that country and then get traffic to your affiliate link. In this case, I recommend that you should select the tier 1 country. So you can select a city in the United States, you can select a city in Canada, you can select a city in UK or Australia. Those are the tier 1 countries. Those are the countries that most of the people have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. So when you are running your ads, you have to target those countries. To run an ad on freeastime.org, what you have to do is that you have to create your account. To create an account, click here, my account. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then click on sign up now. Once you click on sign up now, you are going to follow all the steps so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to begin posting your ad. So to post an ad, click here, post an ad. Once you click on post an ad, you have 3 options. You can see post a classified ad, post a business listing, sell a new product. So in this case, we are going to post a classified ad. So click on it. Once you click on it, always close the ad. As you can see, that has been done. Once it's done, you are going to scroll down. You can see category. You have to select the category that you are targeting. In this case, we are going to select items. Once you select items, the next step is that you are going to select the subcategory. The product is about how to boost your immune system, so you are going to select health items. So select health items. Once you select health items, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see country, state, city. So you have to select the country that you are targeting and the cities. Click on it. Once you click on it, select US. Once you select the United States, you have to select the state. So click on it. Once you click on it, select any state that you want. You can see many states. Just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select New York. Once you select New York, you are going to select the city. You can see these are the cities where the website is getting a lot of traffic in the United States. You can see these are the cities. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to selecting Buffalo because that city is located in New York. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for Buffalo. So let's scroll down to the bottom. Just scroll to the bottom so that we can find Buffalo. You can see it right here. Buffalo selected. This is one of the most visited cities, so select it. Once you select it, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see add title, add description. You have to enter the add title and a description. What you have to do is that you have to use ChatGPT to write the add title and a description for you. So what you have to do is that you have to open ChatGPT. Once you open it, you are going to go back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you can see this is the name of the product. You can highlight and copy it, or if you want, you can type it, any of them that you want. So once you have the name of the product, you are going to write your prompt so that ChatGPT can write an ad title and a description for you. So you are going to type write an ad title and a brief description about tonic greens. Tonic greens or any product that you are promoting, you can paste the title of the product here. Once you have your prompt, what you have to do is that click on send so that it can generate an ad title and a description for you. Once you click on send, you can see this is an ad title. You can see the ad title and you can see this is your description. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy your ad type. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on your ads and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to copy and paste the description here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, come back on freeastime.org and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is your description. Once you have your description, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see price. You have to enter the price of the product. Or you come back on Digistore24, you can see these are the product details. Price, average. This is the average price of the product. So highlight and copy the price of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your price, you are going to scroll down, click on continue. You can see contact name and email. So you have to enter your contact name here. You can type your own name. Once you type your name, enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see contact phone number. If you want, you can enter your phone number, but in this case I don't want to enter my phone number, so click on continue. Once you click on continue, you see a page like this. You can see map address is optional. Just click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see add type, select individual. Once that is done, click on continue. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. One you can see website URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on Digistore24, copy and paste your affiliate link here. So come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you are going to highlight and copy your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Once you highlight and copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link is here. Once you have pasted your affiliate link, you're going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see video URL. If you have a video on your YouTube channel that you want to paste here, you can do that. If you don't have that, so click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page, you can paste it here. So from here, they are going to be asking you to paste your social media handles. If you don't have any of them, just skip it. They will be asking you to post your Instagram page, TikTok page, and a whole lot of different social media platforms. If you don't have any of that, just skip all of them and then paste your free ad. Once you enter your social media handles, the next step is that you are going to add images of the product. You have to upload images of the product that you're promoting. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for the name of the product, tonic greens. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, download any of these images that you want. To download an image, right click on the image and then select save image as. Once you select that, click on save. Once that is done, you can download another image. So right click on it, select save image as, click on save. As you can see, that has been done. Once you download your images, click on choose file so that you can upload your images. Once you choose file, select your image, click on open. That has been done. The next one, choose file. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. That has been done. We have uploaded 2 images. If you want, you can upload more images, but in this case I'm using 2 images. Once you upload the images, you are going to scroll down. You can see basic $0. You are not going to be paying for anything if you are using the basic package. If you want, you can use the premium packages but in this case we are not going to be using any premium package, so select this option. Once you select the basic package, you can upload up to 10 images. So we are using the basic package, just leave it like this. If you are a beginner without any money, what you have to do is that you have to use the basic package. Once you are able to make sales, you can then use the premium versions, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see they have standard, they have premium. Any of these that you want, you can choose. If you select the standard, you're going to be paying $9.97. If you select the premium, you're going to be paying $29.98. In this case, we have selected the basic, which means we are not going to be paying for anything. So scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see human verification. Enter 7 in the following box and click on continue. So you have to enter 7 here to show that you are a human. So enter 7. Once you enter 7, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see proceed with clicking on submit to complete your posting and ad process. So the next step is that you have to submit your ad to the website so that you can be getting traffic. So click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your ad has been posted, so your ad is now live on the platform. If you want, you can go back on your accounts and delete the ad, or if you want, you can post more ads onto the platform. If you want to get results, what you have to do is that you have to post a lot of ads. There are many people who are posting different things on the website, so what you have to do is that you have to also keep on posting so that you can get a lot of reach and then clicks. Once you get many people to see your ads, some of them are going to click on your ads and then purchase the product that you are promoting. So make sure you keep on posting. Do not post one ad and expect a lot of results. What you have to do is that you have to keep on posting many ads onto the website. Keep on posting different ads onto the website so that you can get results. Do not duplicate your ad. There are many products on Digistore24 and you can promote any of them. Select different products, post them onto the platform so that you can be getting traffic. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.